Good morning, Stephanie.
Hi, Rick. How are you?
Good, thank you. Steph, we have a project team consisting of you, Nisha and myself to work on some new developer roles at New Zealand Registry Services.
Yes.
But before we get on to talking about those roles, can you tell us a little bit about NZRS?
Yeah, sure, Rick. Well, .NZ Registry Services is known in the business as NZRS, which is what I'll say from now on. They're all about getting companies online, and you can do this with a .nz domain name. And obviously getting a domain name is good for business. NZRS work closely with the Domain Name Commission as their sister organisation, and both companies are 100% owned by Internet NZ, who are the membership society that protects and promotes the internet. And all three organisations are registered charities. They're a very interesting organisation to work for. They're quite unique in terms of domain name registries, and they provide an important function in helping the internet work. The work is varied. While NZRS have well-developed architecture and infrastructure, they're also always looking to make improvements. So they will be open to your ideas as long as you provide the evidence. It's a very egalitarian organisation, so everyone contributes. There's no office politics, very limited hierarchy. Also, NZRS are expanding their services, so there is opportunity to work on new work as well. NZRS are very profitable, they're very well funded. They like to take the time to do things properly and build applications to last. It's an organisation that can provide you with a good long-term future where you can keep enhancing your skills and deepening your subject matter expertise. The Chief Executive says, well, look, if you need a book to study, they'll buy whatever materials you need to keep learning. They'll certainly support you. They're also an organisation that provide extra toys as well. They're quite into that. So they have a budget for extra tools in the workplace. So you'll be working with some good technology. You'd be also working alongside other very technical people who are specialists in their field and in great depth, often to author level. Some of the people in the organisation go and present at conferences, and they're well known in their particular field. It's a company that provides itself on being positive and having the flexibility to make it comfortable to live your life. They really think that's important. The Chief Executive stresses that they don't like overtime at all. They want you to get the most out of your role when you're there, and you should be able to do it in a normal work day.
Excellent.
Yeah, there's also flexibility around if you need to come in later and stay late, or conversely start earlier. It's an organisation for grown-ups and not going to micromanage you.
Excellent. That sounds like an interesting place to work. Now, these positions, they include a senior Perl developer and 2 Perl developers. Why have these roles become vacant, and what skills are you looking for?
Well, the company is growing, and they have decided to insource their development capacity. Part of the reason for this is because their technology is challenging and unique, and another reason is their approach to risk, being reliant on all systems having 100% uptime. So it's easier to control their staff if they're in-house, and you also have the consistency of having the same people working on the projects. They have very strict processes to follow. They have a one-page manual, so the processes are kept to a minimum, but it's very important that they're followed to the letter, and these processes are agreed on by staff, and they're continually refined as well. What they're looking for in people is software developers who are genuinely interested in what they do, really passionate about the industry, and also keen to keep on learning. They're looking, because a lot of their functions take a long time, they're quite complex, and they're building systems to last. They are looking for people who are wanting to take a long-term career step and really deepen their knowledge. The other good thing is they're very profitable, they have good finances, they have an independent board. So, I think that NZRS present a great career opportunity, And if you are an experienced Perl developer, please do call us to discuss at any point, and also apply online through either our website at Place Recruitment or the Seek website. We really look forward to hearing from you. These are 3 significant roles that they're looking to fill.
Excellent. That sounds really interesting. Now, if I'm a Perl developer, we'll just contact you, as you said, via the websites, and all the details will be within the job ad.
That's right. And please don't hesitate to ring us, just if you want to just run through anything, or if we haven't covered anything off here. But I think the technical background's really covered in detail in the advertisement.
Excellent. That sounds really interesting. Thanks a lot, Steph.
Thanks, Rick.